Hi, good people. Do you want to focus your services in a specific area? Today, I'll show you how to accept rides only within a specified region on ClickChauffeur. What's the point? By setting a specific region, you can optimize your operations and provide faster, more efficient service to your clients. If that speaks to you, then let's dive into the ClickChauffeur dashboard and get started. In the menu on the left, click on Module, Settings, and then go on to the right side of the screen to find the label Allowed Region. If you want to accept rides within a specific area, then check the box. The next step is to set up the desired region on the map. Allowed Region, select an allowed region and access the map. You've got two options there. Let's take the example of Paris. So you can either use the circle and draw a circle on the area that you want. Then valid. The second option is to draw a very specific route. Use the polygon and draw your specific area. So as you can see, you can do this by dragging and resizing the highlighted area to fit your preferred region of operation. Now let's customize the message that will be shown if a booking is outside the specified region. Type in your personalized message in the field. For example, we currently only accept rides within then your specified region. Please book a ride within this area or contact us for special arrangements. Finally, we need to save the changes we made. And that's it. We've set a specified region for accepting rides, ensuring your operations are focused and efficient. This small change can help you manage your services better and provide faster response times. Remember, focusing on a specific area can enhance your service quality. Thanks for watching. Keep your operations streamlined and your clients happy, and see you in the next video.